and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Shiana. I create all different types of beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this really pretty fall smoky eye. This look was inspired by our Friendsgiving Thanksgiving palette from Makeup Revolution. It is the Friends and Revolution collab palette. This is what it looks like. Super cute, and it also comes with a mirror on the side. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I haven't decided what type of look I'm going to do yet, so I'm gonna wing this and just kind of go with the moment, and whatever vibes I feel, that's what I'm gonna go based off of. I'm gonna start with my base makeup. I do have some new things that I want to try. I'm just gonna keep incorporating new makeup products because I have so many to try. Let's start with the brows. Today I'm gonna use my brow pomade from Benefit. This is the shade 4.5. This is the brow pomade. This is what it looks like in the inside. This stuff is extremely creamy, so I'm gonna zoom in. My brows desperately need to be done on the bottom, but I've been kind of growing them out and I've been liking it, so I'm gonna keep doing that. So this is the face primer that I'm using. This is the Laura Mercier Perfecting Canvas Primer. And I just dot this. I already put my skincare on. I've been using Korean Beauty for skincare now. And as you can see, my skin's been way more clearer. I also pair it with Exuviance Still for my face wash. And I also love Origins too because they are a clean line. If you aren't familiar with any of those, I highly recommend going and watching my skincare routine because most of these products that I use still currently are tagged in that video.
Girl, watch me heavy live. How many more times we gon' argue over petty shit? I mess up, but shit, you mess up too. that y'all, that y'all.
Now that my base is done, I'm going to be doing my shadow. Makeup Revolution was kind enough to send me this Thanksgiving inspired palette, or Friendsgiving inspired palette, because it's from Friends, the TV show, if you're not familiar with it. But it's literally a turkey with sunglasses. That's what it looks like. So you open it, and then you got your mirror here and your shadows here. I can't wait to use this. I need to blend out my lid again because, as you can see, it still wants to keep creasing. I have a tissue right here, and I put my powder on the tissue and then I apply it to keep it, you know, diffused. I don't have to keep using my hand, the tissue does it for me. Take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in Scarring, due to it being like this really pretty rich brown that's very close to my skin tone as a transition color. For some reason, I really want to incorporate this like rich coral orange shade, so I think I'm gonna put that mixed in with this brown. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna take a dense brush, but this is angled, but it's still dense, and I'm gonna take Cook right here. It's a brick brown. I'm gonna put this right into my crease. Going back in with this brush. Make sure those two colors are blended together. This is coming out really cute. This is what we got so far. Yeah, I'm digging it. I haven't decided if I want to do, I don't know which color I want to do, but I want to either do this color on my lid or this color on my lid. And I'm gonna put one of these light colors in my inner corner to like give me a little brightness. I don't know. I'm gonna start with the cream shade and then I'm gonna work darker, because if I go darker and then I don't like it, I'm gonna be really upset. Let's go in with this color right here. This is VD. I don't know what VD stands for. I really like this color. And now I'm gonna go with my cream color. I think I'm gonna use Ruined in the center here. This is coming together so cute. I was not expecting this to be a vibe. Like, I was just really down about how I was gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna go in with Gravy. I'm just putting this in my waterline. This is actually really pretty. Now let's take Yams, which is this color right here. I'm gonna go right on top. for eyeliner, I'm gonna use my roller lash liner. My roller liner from Benefit. All right, so these are my lashes from Velour. They're the Worst Behavior. I'm gonna put these on. Now I'm going to bronze and carve out my contour with my Morphe Complexion palette. I'm going to be using these two colors. I'm just going in with this orange blush from BH Cosmetics to warm up my blush a little bit more. I'm just gonna hydrate my lips with this e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine. This is the color Blissful. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest of my lips. I did pick up this new Doja Cat lip gloss, so that's what I'm gonna use. This is what it looks like. It's like this orangey gold red. Very pretty, but it's a gloss, so I'm just gonna put it right on top. Oh, this is cute. Alright guys, so here is my finished makeup look. I do hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. I'm going to go take some fall photos. The look turned out really pretty. I love the fall colors in this palette. I know I love orange, so this palette was definitely a must for me. If you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and give this video a huge thumbs up. That is it for this video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching, as well as your continuous support. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.